Hang on, Sadie. We'll be there soon. Gotta admit, friend, I'm surprised we made it this far. Us exiles, we've been on the run from the Dominion for a long time. And this old ship's on her last leg. Strange to think that we might just finally get a new home. I wouldn't exactly call myself personable, but I feel like if we all just stick together, we might just be okay. And I ain't above shooting anyone who thinks different. It looks like we're here. I'm obliged for your help, friend. Glad I didn't kill you.
Grant me good news. If you die, die well. Oh, and do it somewhere I can find your corpse. Thank you.
What's the word? Thank you. But I don't say that kind of thing easy.
Yeah? What's the deal? Do me a favor and don't be late.
Any progress for the exiles?
Good of you to check in, pal. They ain't too far from here.
We got us a new home to fight for on Nexus.
Hey, just the person I wanted to run into.
We'll never go back to Nox. Nexus is home now.
Do you have information for me?